prompt, effective, and impartial, and as well as equitable and provision of services, the involvement of the people in the process of the policy making and accountability of administrative acts. The band right outside the Senate chambers is ready for this day. President William Ruto is on your screens. You can see him. He is already around Parliament. Any moment from now, he'll be making his way into Parliament of Kenya and specifically to the National Assembly's chamber, ready to deliver his State of the Nation address. Remember, this is the third one, and that is pursuant to the provisions of the Constitution, where the President will be giving that State of the Nation address, as well as tabling a number of reports for debate by both houses of Parliament, that is the National Assembly and the Senate. And this submission of the report is made in fulfilling the national and international obligations of the Republic. The President is also expected to table a report on matters security of the country, and also tell the nation through Parliament some of the agendas that the country has made steps on. These are achievements and gains for the past 1 year, as well as highlighting some of the expectations Kenyans are set to expect in the coming year. I am not alone at the Parliamentary Broadcasting Unit. My name is Gladys Mungai, and kindly allow me to hand you over to my colleague, Edward Kabasa, to take it over from here. Welcome, Edward Kabasa.
Thank you, Gladys Mungai. The President is about to inspect the Guard of Honor mounted along Parliament Road this afternoon. It is an important day in the Parliament's calendar, where the President is addressing a joint sitting of Parliament, the National Assembly and the Senate. The members have already walked into the chambers and taken their rightful seats, awaiting the President to walk in and deliver the much-awaited address. This is in keeping with the provisions of the Constitution and the standing orders of the National Assembly and the Senate as well. This important occasion has been witnessed since Kenya attained its independence. There on your screen is the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Rachel Ruto, who is walking into the Parliament buildings to join up with other dignitaries who have also made their way to Parliament. This afternoon, there are a number of foreign missions which are represented in this program. And earlier we did see the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Professor KISII Kindiki, also made his way into the Parliament buildings. The President, after inspecting the Guard of Honor, he will be ushered into the buildings by the speakers of Parliament. There on your screen, the Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Masika Wetangula, will be the first one to greet the President, and then followed by the Speaker of the Senate, Amason Jeffrey Kingi, and then the dignitaries who have lined up along the entrance of Parliament. They are using the usual entrance, that is the Senate entrance into the Parliament of Kenya. And the President, after saying hello to the senators, on your screen there is Senator Ledama of Narok County, and there is Senator Stewart Madzayo as well. They are waiting for the President to get into the gate there. He has now left the Parliament Road, and he has walked into the gates of Parliament, and any moment now he will appear in your